Okay, so for today's video, we're going to be doing the WJ taillight install, and we're also going to show you how to wire them up for the lights. So, first of all, with these taillights, first thing you're going to do is you're going to get these squeeze nuts. And what you're going to have to do is, on these stock taillights, there's a ball here that goes in, and there's a little rubber piece. This is what this little rubber piece looks like. You're going to have to pop that out. And then you're going to drill this hole out to a 33/64. You're going to put this in and squeeze it. We have a video already on how to put them in. Once you do that, you're going to take your tail light and just fit this in. Get that first bolt started. Once you get this first bolt started, you're going to come in and you're going to mark this bottom hole. Can you see in there? You're going to mark this bottom hole and drill that out and put a squeeze nut in that one as well. These are 3/8 bolts. You're going to need a 1/2 inch. Put them in. Once you get those 2 bolts started, you're just going to want to pull it out, get your body lines straight, and then go back through and tighten them up again. After that, you're going to come in, put these bolts in here. Maybe. Okay, so after you get your 2 side bolts in, and you get your body line where you want it, you're going to come back through and put these 2 in. This is just, support. This is where the stock ones go. Also, you're going to have to drill this top hole out 1/4 inch. I believe it's a little small to get the bolt through, so you just got to ream that with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Put that in. And there it is. Okay, so now to wire these lights up, this kit is going to come with this resistor, which this is going to be your brake and turn signal light. This is your marker light. And it'll also come with this pigtail, which this is just going to be your reverse light. And I'll show you how to wire them in here. So to do this, you got to cut your plug off. It's going to be these wires: purple and black, brown and red, black, black and yellow, and white and orange. So now to wire these in for your reverse light, it's going to be the black to the purple and black. And you take your white from the resistor and also from the reverse light, and that goes to the solid black. And then from the resistor you have your green wire, which is going to connect to the brown with the red stripe. The brown wire off of the resistor is going to connect to the black with the yellow stripe. And the red wire off of the resistor is going to connect to the white with the orange stripe. Here's what they look like. You want to hit the turn? Let it, bang, bang.